Realme is launching a new premium smartphone, the Realme 13 Plus 5G, in Pakistan on November 18th, with none other than cricket star Shaheen Afridi as a brand ambassador. Teasers for the phone have already started surfacing on social media, stirring excitement as the release date nears. Although the global reveal of the Realme 13 Plus happened 2 months ago, Pakistani fans won't have to wait much longer. The Realme 13 Plus 5G boasts a stunning 6.67-inch FHD plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and an impressive 2000 nits peak brightness, making it one of the best screens in its class. It's also HDR10 Plus certified, delivering vibrant, true-to-life colors with enhanced HDR content thanks to individually lit pixels. Powering the device is the Dimensity 7300 energy processor, a powerful chip ideal for gaming, scoring around 750,000 points on Antutu. The phone includes a large 6050mm 2VC cooling chamber, which helps keep the device cool during intensive gaming and even during fast recharging. Speaking of battery, the Realme 13 Plus 5G has a 5000 mAh battery that supports rapid 80W charging. Camera-wise, the phone offers a solid setup for its price range, featuring a 50MP main sensor and a 2MP secondary camera on the back, plus a 16MP front camera in a punch-hole design. It's packed with features like 360-degree NFC support, Wi-Fi 6, dual speakers, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The Realme 13 Plus 5G is also IP65 rated, giving it solid durability.